This is part 2 of a tutorial on making basically a caster plate, a flange, and a piece of pipe. So we have our first piece here. Now I'm going to actually just make the pipe, which is a really quick one. So we're just going to come up to here and go new part. New part starts up, blank screen again. Start the 2D sketch, grab the center point to get the 2D sketch or the plane. We're going to go once again, do rectangle, and make a rectangle, dimension it, and I'm going to put 2 3/8 was the measurement from the last one. And again, from last time around, it's a square, so I'm just going to hit the equals constraint, and I'm going to say that one equals that one, and we have ourselves a square. Okay, now I just want the inner of this pipe or square tubing, so I'm going to use offset. And offset's really simple because you just go offset like this, and you click like that. We have an offset. Now I go dimension, and what's cool is because this is based on this, if I go like this and dimension that distance, what's our wall thickness? Let's say our wall thickness was 3/8 total, so I'm just going to go 3/8. Okay, no, that's not 3/8. That's quite thick wall. Let's go 1/16. Okay, 1/16. And there we go, and now that's 1/16. You can see it made it all the way around. There's no math involved here. We don't have to draw another square, so just do it and say that's what it is. And again, geez, it wasn't 1/16. This is thicker wall. Maybe it was 3/16, right? I just put in 3/16. That's pretty thick wall, but away we go. And we click finish. There's our pipe, and again we hit extrude, or square tubing I should say, and let's say this is going to be 24 inches. All right, so now we scroll out, and I'm using the scroll button. A couple of commands here. Hold the shift key down. I can twist around. Okay, so I'm holding the shift key down and the scroll button, and I can spin it around. I'm holding just the scroll button down, and I can go back and forth. If I lose it, okay, and I can't find it again, I come up to the view cube, and I just click on home, and it brings it back. All right, so there's that. Now let's just say that we wanted a couple holes in here. Right? So let's just do a little bit of a rectangular array. So let's just say we needed a couple holes for a pattern for some reason. So I'm going to click on one of these sides. I'm going to go back up to create 2D sketch or start 2D sketch. And this is the top. So I'm just going to scroll in a bit closer. Okay. And I'm going to put just one circle. Okay. So I'll put one circle in here, dimension it. Let's say these need to be 1/2-inch holes. So 1/2. Okay, and let's say I really want the distance only to be, I don't know, if that's 1/2 from here to here, let's go 0.5 in. Okay, so 0.5 in. I can always change this later. Now what I'm going to do, and I'm going to start the first one, same thing. I'm going to start the first one maybe 1 inch down. Okay, all right, so now we have this. What I can do is I can go into a rectangular array now. So click rectangular array. And what we're going to do is, select the click the geometry, pick the circle. Okay, now I'm going to click the first direction, and I want the first direction to be going this way. So I'm going to do that. Let's not worry about any spacing yet. And my second direction, I want it to go this way. Oops, I got to pick this one. Okay, and that's the wrong way I want it to go, so we just reverse it or flip it. And now I want 2 of them. I want them to distance. Geez, I didn't do any math here, but let's just go 1.25, and we can oh, I messed up there. So let's just go undo. I'll start over again. All right, so rectangular, pick this one again, right? Direction 1 goes this way. Direction 2 goes this way, but we want to flip it. We got 2 of them. I'm going to go 1.25. Yeah, let's just stop, press enter, or OK this time. And I really want 4 of them. Okay, and there we go. So that's one side. I don't know why I'm doing this other than to show you. And we can click on OK, and there's my array. I click Finish Sketch. Now this is the part you haven't seen. Hold the Shift key down, and I'm rotating the pipe around by also holding my mouse button down. And I'm going to go Extrude. And I'm going to extrude this one. I don't want to go this way yet. I'm going to flip this. So what I'm going to do is actually right here, this is cut. Okay, and it says distance of 24. I'm just going to go distance, not distance. I'm going to go just to next. Okay, and I'm just going to keep going here. Okay, uh-oh, now I really messed up. Try that one again. Okay, and I'm going this one. I'm going to cancel here, and you guys, I'm not starting a video over. All right, so extrude, let's just do this without it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And instead, I'm just going to cut them out, and I'm just going to go Well, that was really weird. So go to next. So now if I hit OK, it just went through to the next surface, and you can see if I flip it, might be a bit hard here. Let's just go back in, and you can see I actually didn't go through to the other piece. So there you go, I just added that. Why? Because I felt like it. So that's the end of this tutorial. That shows you what a rectangular array is and how to make a simple pipe, and we'll go on to the next one.